My name is Dr. Leo Alonso. I'm an emergency medicine physician. I have practiced in this county for 30 years in Duval and Clay. And in emergency medicine, we have an open door policy due to federal unfunded mandate called EMTALA, where we have to see everybody. The question I always ask people is, what's the biggest asset any nation or community has? I hope you don't think it's lithium or oil, it's the people, right? Look at Japan or Germany, very resource-poor countries, but very rich countries, right? So how do you invest in the people? You got to have a healthy population. Florida ranks as one of the top 4 states with the highest medically uninsured rates in the nation. Health insurance is a basic need and investment in any modern productive population. Duval County has a 23% uninsured rate, so about 25,000 people. Medicaid in Florida, which has one of the most restrictive eligibility requirements in the nation, covers 4.3 million people, or about 20%. So 1 out of 5 Floridians is on Medicaid, roughly. Unfortunately, we are also one of the hardest states to qualify for Medicaid. Adults without children, no matter what their income level is, do not qualify for Medicaid in Florida. As a practicing emergency physician, I can bore you with stories of people who have come to the emergency department without insurance or had bad insurance and, had financial devastation because of their illness. The high cost of private insurance renders this benefit really inaccessible to a lot of our essential workers or people who even work but are on the low income level. The so-called Medicaid coverage gap affects about 300,000 Floridians. That's on the conservative end. You'll hear up to 500,000 in other quotes. And that's people who are below the federal poverty level. And let me quote you these numbers because to me they're amazing. For a person of one, an individual, the federal poverty level is $15,640. For a family of 3, it's $25,828. So imagine supporting a family of 3 on that amount of money. So this will increase the gap to 138% of those numbers I just quoted you. And I just want to remind you that in this particular district, there is a huge income disparity, and really the need is huge in the city of Jacksonville. Thank you for your time.